Hi everyone, it's Dr. Charmaine Johnson again from Premier Smile Center. I hope you're all keeping safe and staying home and staying healthy. Today I want to talk a little bit about how you can boost your immune system, whether it be for the virus or for a common cold or even the flu. And these are kind of tips that we can take. Hopefully once we get out of this, we can live a healthier lifestyle. So the first thing is, as we all know, hand washing with soap and water for 20 seconds using an alcohol-based sanitizer with more than 60% alcohol. Second thing would be social distancing. I'm glad that a lot of you are staying home and trying to not expose yourself to anything out there. And this is important because a lot of us are not we don't understand why some people are reacting worse than others with it, and there's some thought process out there that it might be because some people are exposed to a higher amount of the viral load, but you know, who knows at this point in time. Then adequate sleep. So studies have shown that if you get less than 7 hours of sleep, then you know, you are more prone to feeling run down. And nowadays, when we're home most of the time, we are on the electronics, we're watching TV, we're on our phones, we're on the computer. That emits a blue light, and that can affect your sleep wake cycle. So you can get special glasses for that, that kind of reduces that blue light that comes out. Or just before you go to bed, if you're having trouble sleeping, don't get on your phone, don't get on the computer. Do something like just reading a regular book, doing crossword puzzles, just, you know, something that we used to do in the old days, as they say. Then we can talk about stress. Now, how can you not be stressed in a time like this, right? So many people are worrying whether they have a job after all is said and done. Worried about the stock market. We're worried about whether we can get groceries and toilet paper out there. Unfortunately, when we are very stressed, there's an increased amount of catecholamine release, and this is the feeling you get when you feel run down. It's hard to say, you know, don't get stressed out, but there are a lot of things that we can do. For example, exercise. Go out there, enjoy the weather. It's been really nice the last couple of weeks, and go for a walk, bicycle, do something different, and enjoy the outside, which is useful and helpful. Meditation, you know, things like that. If you smoke, this is the perfect time to quit smoking. As you know, if you're a smoker, it doesn't help that your lungs are not healthy, and this disease obviously affects your respiratory system. Healthy eating habits. So I don't know about you, but I've been eating a lot more, been stuck at home, cooking and baking a lot more than usual. So I think that's a little difficult, but obviously there's some supplements that you can take that can help. Vitamin C, vitamin D, zinc, echinacea, turmeric, zinc. That's what you can get as supplements, and obviously take that in moderation and boost your immune system with them. Then, you know, if you are diabetic, please try and control your blood sugar levels. And this is especially important as a dentist because we have found that patients who are diabetic seem to have an increased risk of gum disease, and it's much more difficult to keep under control. Then if you're drinking alcohol, obviously that's something that I'm sure we're all doing a lot more of, stuck at home. Heavy drinkers seem to have an increased risk of respiratory diseases. Attitude. So a couple things. Last two things I want to go over is attitude. A positive attitude goes a long way, especially in this time. If you can try and just keep a positive attitude, it does seem to boost the immune system. You know, there's no studies around that, but we can all agree that there's a lot of things that will come out of this that are positive, and things that we'll learn, new skills we'll learn, you know, connecting with friends and family that we've never kept in touch with before. So just try and keep a positive attitude, keep your spirits up, because at the end of the day this will end and we will all get through it, and you know, hopefully we'll have new and great relationships that we've developed with people through online and kind of video conferences and things like that. And lastly, as a dentist, decrease the amount of chances that you're going to get an emergency or that you have infection. So we've done posts before this about how to maintain good oral hygiene at home, the brushing, the flossing, water picking, an air floss versus a water pick, type of toothpaste you can use, type of mouthwashes you can use, things like that. So just follow us and look for our previous posts regarding hygiene instructions and how to take care of it, because you want to make sure that the gum tissue stays healthy and that you keep it clean. And then we also did a post about what you can do to try and prevent a dental emergency, and there's a couple of things that you can do just to hold off until we can all get back to a relative normal again. We do have a teledentistry portal that we've set up, and if you have questions and you're not sure whether you have a dental emergency or not, you're more than welcome to give us a call, and we'll set up a video consultation with you that really is we're offering for free, and we can help you through some of the things that you can do at home. So I hope this helps, and I hope everybody stays safe and stays healthy.